and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I finally got my Sephora package. Ooh, also, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love that I got on my last video about what happened to my arm. I've gotten so many messages from people saying that they've experienced similar things and tips and all this stuff, and I'm so grateful for all of it. I've been using everyone's advice and it's helped. Actually, I'll show you right now. So this is the one on my wrist, but those are all scabs. Same thing with here, it's all scabbed, and all that. I'm not gonna zoom you in, but yeah, all that's also scabbed. So I have no more active blisters, thank God, because that was the worst part. So now I'm just waiting for the scabs to heal, but everything's going well. So I just want to say thank you guys so much. All right, let's get into this unboxing. First I gotta open the box. It took everything within my body, honestly, to not open this before filming this, because I just literally wanted to like rip into this and to play with it. So this is my first order. Funny story actually before I open this up. So apparently drunk me made another order, and I did not know about this until literally like I got like a bank statement saying like all the shit that I've spent my money on. I was like, what the hell is this order to Sephora? I'm like, what? Why are there two? So I checked my order history on my Sephora account, and lo and behold, I made another order. This is part one. Part two will probably be a first impressions type unboxing. I got the Pat McGrath foundation as well as the concealer, and I'm really excited to try it. I also got the Fenty cream blushes and the cream bronzer in my other order, so we will definitely do a video on that. But first, let's get to this one. First, we open box. Cut away from you, don't cut towards yourself, don't be stupid like me. Getting that out of the way now. I also Lysoled this entire box just in case, because you can never be too safe. So some of this stuff is actually not mine. So a friend of mine actually asked me to pick her up some stuff, so I did. Okay, let's get into what I got. Okay, so I'm just gonna like start pulling shit out. All right, so first thing, I got this, which is a brow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it comes with the Brow Wiz and the brow gel, the clear brow gel. And I really wanted to get this because I started wanting to kind of like, you know, play with my brows. I never do anything with my brows. I literally do nothing. Like, I barely pluck them. I thought, why not? Let's test it out. So I got the set in the color Ebony. I'm so excited. Got a new bronzer, finally. Not to say that I don't love my Too Faced chocolate bronzer, but I've been using that bronzer forever, and I really wanted to try something new. So of course I had to try out the new Fenty one. I've heard so many great things, so let's test it out. I got mine in the shade Camel Cutie. Now, I'm gonna be really honest, when I was selecting shades, I kind of messed up. Like, my brain did not function. So when you're on the Sephora website and you're looking at the colors, it tells you like, oh, this is suitable for light skin tones, fair, tan to medium, blah blah blah. My dumbass thought that it meant, oh, sorry, I just opened it. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, you can see my camera. But oh my god, this packaging is beautiful. It's like a rose gold compact. Anyway, back to my story. So I thought that it was describing the shades. So Camel Cutie is actually for more tan skin tones. So we'll see how dark this is. Actually, let's open it right now just to see. Ooh, actually, you know what? This probably won't be too dark for me. Maybe a little bit, but it's okay because it's summer and I tan like a beast anyway. Ooh, I'm so excited. The bronzer looks so nice. All right, next thing I see. Okay. This is what I was talking about in my other video. This is the Patrick Ta blush, and I got her in the shade She's Adorable, and it's the pinky, peachy pinky kind of shade that they have. Oh my god. I tested out the formula whenever I was like in Sephora, like I would always swatch it, and oh, I love it. And it is the most stunning color. Oh, I don't even know if you can pick it up. It has gold shimmer. I'm gonna swatch this because this is mine. It's very light, but it's very buildable for sure. This is like perfect for like everyday, just like a little peachy pink sparkly moment. It's just so pretty. Oh yeah, you can definitely not see that, but sort of. Oh, I cannot wait to play with this. Fun fact, I'm 100% convinced that I was a magpie in my former life, because anything shiny, sparkly, reflective, I'm attracted. I'm just like, I need you. And this and the Fenty is giving me all that. Giving me all the vibes. Now, something else that I really wanted to start getting more practice on and like trying out new styles and stuff are fake lashes. So I got the Sephora brand ones in the style Craze, and they're super long, super wispy, and I just kind of wanted to try them out. I love the pair that I got, the velour pair, and I was gonna get more of those, but yeah, they're kind of wispy. And I also got these ones from Tarte, which I'm really excited about. They're super dramatic. They're in the style Wifey. They look like that. Oh god, I'm even gonna be able to see with that reflectiveness. They're also kind of similar. They're very spiky and they're like a crosshatch type situation. It looks so nice. I'm so excited to try these on. Going along with my lash stuff, I got a set of lash tweezers because I'm sick and tired of poking myself in the eye with the sharp ass tweezers that I normally use. I have been waiting for this for years. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero highlight kit. Now, this came out years ago and I couldn't get it at the time. I didn't have money, there's nothing I can do. But they came out again with it and I'm like, this time I'm getting it. I'm like, I don't care. I don't care about anything else that I'm getting from the Sephora sale. This is what I did this order for. Look at it and it's beautiful. Baby sparkly pink with holographic writing. Glory. I'm gonna show you. So this is what the palette looks like, and look at those highlight shades. Specifically, I'm obsessed with Glow Getter and Daydream, so I'm just gonna quickly do a swatchy swatch. So that's Glow Getter. This one is Daydream. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to start using this in tutorials and stuff. I'm so excited. All right, next. Ooh, big boy. Okay, so I really wanted to focus on like skincare, I guess, for this first order. So I decided that I was gonna shell out and get the Peter Thomas Roth Mix Mask and Hydrate Kit, which is this bad boy. It's full sizes of all of their really well-known, well-loved masks. And the reason why I really wanted this is because I don't have a lot of face masks. I love doing them, they're so much fun, but I don't have many. I think I only have 2. No, I lied, I only have 1. I have the Caudalie Detox one, which is amazing, by the way. Another thing that I really wanted to start testing out is like hydrating masks, because you know, when you're starting to get older, you start to notice things and whatever. Especially for me, because I have dry skin, I'm noticing a lot more like fine lines and stuff. So I wanted to get masks that were also like moisturizing, and I heard so many good things about the cucumber gel mask and the rose stem cell one, and it also comes with the water drenched hyaluronic acid cloud cream, which is like their moisturizer. I've tried that moisturizer before. It is very good. However, it's not enough moisture for me. However, I will say when I do use it, because sometimes I get it in like, you know, the little Sephora testers and shit like that, I use it during like the summer months because my skin starts to change from like dry sensitive to normal to slightly more combo skin during the summer because it's hot, so I sweat more and my face produce oil. Like, my skin changes. So this will be super handy and I'm so excited to try this. Ooh, okay. So I got a hair product. I love how this is in a freaking, anyway. Drunk Elephant recently came out with a lot of different like hair care products. They came out with shampoos, conditioners, and they came out with this bad boy, which I am really excited to try. It's the TLC Happy Scalp Scrub with 10% AHA BHA blend. What this is basically like a scrub, an exfoliating treatment for your scalp. Now, because I am so dry, I get dandruff. TMI, I get dandruff. So I figured I should probably start doing like scalp treatments and stuff because I'm really in this journey of growing back my hair. I used to be bleach blonde. I used to look like Kim K when she had the super blonde. Like, I was Draco Malfoy and I loved it, and sometimes I think about going back to like platinum blonde or silver. Oh, when I had silver hair. So that's why I really wanted to try it, because I want to see if this will help my scalp. If not, then I'm probably going to start going back to like washing my hair more often because I don't like having dandruff. It sucks. It's itchy. It's not fun. Another skincare thing I got is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. Originally, I wanted to get the Sunday Riley vitamin C serum. I've really been doing a lot of research on like different things that I could start using for my skin because I suffer from hyperpigmentation. Like I scar so easily and it takes forever for the scar to go away. So I wanted to try out a vitamin C serum because, as you know, vitamin C is very good for brightening the complexion as well as for scarring. So I really wanted to see if this would work for me. I got the Dr. Jart Ceramide Liquid, which is a moisturizing toner, but it basically helps with your skin barrier, which I'm trying to fix because of how dry my face is. Honest to God, I'm so fucking lazy. Like some days I will not wash my face for like a week or like moisturize my face for a week, and then my skin freaks out and then I complain about how bad my skin is. So shame on me. And the rest of this stuff is my friend's. I got her 2 of the Fenty Soft Matte Foundation, Extra Setting Spray, Urban Decay Laneige Moisture Cream. I was the one who got her on that because it's amazing and I love it, especially the thick cream. If you have dry skin, use the thick cream. It'll moisturize you, it'll make you glow. Best moisturizer. And then I got her brow list. So that is the end of my Sephora VIB sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you guys again for supporting me and showing me some love. My goal for May was to reach 200 subscribers and I'm already at 186. So I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of you who have been watching my videos and subscribing to me. It means a lot. I'm really excited about it. I wasn't expecting the support to come so fast, but thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will see you guys in my next video, which will probably be my exciting little announcement. All right, bye.